Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you own a Jeep Renegade, you already know it's a compact SUV that blends everyday practicality with adventurous spirit. But the right accessories can make it even more capable and comfortable. In today's video, we're going through 28 useful accessories made specifically for the Jeep Renegade. From interior organizers and protective upgrades to exterior add-ons that improve both style and function, these picks are designed to make your drives easier. Each accessory focuses on real-world convenience, helping keep your vehicle clean, organized, and ready for whatever your day brings. The best part is every item featured in this video is available on Amazon. You'll find all the links in the description below. Let's get started and see which Jeep Renegade accessories are worth checking out. Very first on the list, roof rack crossbars for Jeep Renegade. Expand your horizons and gear up for your next off-road adventure. These roof rack crossbars are engineered specifically for the Jeep Renegade to provide a secure and aerodynamic base for your equipment. Whether you are mounting a kayak, a bike rack, or a heavy-duty cargo box, these bars offer the rugged strength you need. The easy installation process means you spend less time in the garage and more time on the trails. Carry your outdoor gear with total confidence and maximize your vehicle's utility today. Coming up next, floor mats for Jeep Renegade. Protect your interior from the mud and dirt of the great outdoors. These heavy-duty floor mats are laser measured to fit the footwells of your Jeep Renegade with absolute precision. The deep channels and raised edges are designed to trap snow, sand, and spills before they ever touch your carpet. Made from a durable and odorless material, they are built to withstand the toughest conditions and are incredibly easy to clean. Keep your cabin looking trail-ready while preserving your vehicle's long-term value. Next, must-have cargo mat for Jeep Renegade. Your trunk is built for gear, but it does not have to stay dirty. This custom-fit cargo mat offers edge-to-edge protection for your Jeep Renegade rear storage area. The waterproof and slip-resistant surface ensures that your hiking boots, groceries, or camping gear stay exactly where you put them. It is designed to handle the wear and tear of a rugged lifestyle, making cleanup as simple as a quick hose down. Safeguard your trunk floor from stains and scratches with this essential interior upgrade. Next item in our list, center console organizer tray for Jeep Renegade. Stop digging through a deep storage bin to find your daily essentials. This center console organizer tray transforms the storage compartment of your Jeep Renegade into a perfectly sorted space. It features dedicated slots for your phone, wallet, and coins, keeping everything within easy reach. It is a simple but effective way to maintain an organized cockpit and keep your focus on the road. Next on the list, retractable cargo cover for Jeep Renegade. Keep your gear out of sight and protected from the sun. This retractable cargo cover is a precision-fit accessory for the Jeep Renegade rear storage bay. It creates a secure shield over your valuables, protecting them from prying eyes when you are parked at the trailhead or in the city. The smooth, spring-loaded design allows you to pull it shut or retract it in seconds for easy access to your items. Enhance your security and maintain a clean, organized look in your rear cabin with this durable cover. Next, we have anti-dust cup holder insert for Jeep Renegade. Keep every small compartment in your vehicle looking spotless and fresh. These anti-dust cup holder inserts are custom cut for the Jeep Renegade to fit inside door pockets and center consoles. They catch crumbs, dust, and sticky residue before they get trapped in your plastic trim, making interior maintenance a breeze. The vibrant accents add a nice custom touch to the dashboard, while the non-slip surface keeps your items quiet. When things get dirty, just pop them out for a quick rinse and your interior stays ready for adventure. Next on the list, grab handle storage organizer for Jeep Renegade. Turn unused space into a convenient storage spot for your passenger. This grab handle storage organizer fits perfectly into the passenger side handle of your Jeep Renegade. It is the ideal place to store small items like sunglasses, lip balm, or a smartphone, keeping them secure even on rough terrain. The rugged design matches the interior aesthetic of your Jeep while providing extra utility without taking up extra room. It is a smart, low-profile upgrade that adds immediate functionality to your cabin. Next item in our list, car phone mount for Jeep Renegade. Keep your navigation front and center while you navigate the city or the trails. This car phone mount is designed specifically for the Jeep Renegade dashboard to provide a secure and vibration-free hold. It ensures your smartphone stays in place even during intense off-roading, allowing for safe, hands-free use of your maps and music. The adjustable viewing angle gives you the perfect perspective every time. Stay connected and keep your eyes on the path ahead with this sturdy and reliable mounting solution. Coming up next, trailer hitch for Jeep Renegade. Unlock the full towing potential of your SUV and prepare for any hauling task. This heavy-duty trailer hitch is engineered to integrate perfectly with the frame of your Jeep Renegade. It provides a secure mounting point for bike racks, small trailers, or cargo carriers, giving you the versatility you need for any trip. The durable finish ensures it resists rust and corrosion through years of outdoor use. Whether you are heading to the lake or moving gear across town, this hitch provides the strength you need. Next must have rain guards for Jeep Renegade. Enjoy fresh air in your cabin regardless of the weather conditions outside. These rain guards are aerodynamically designed to fit the window channels of your Jeep Renegade for a seamless look. They allow you to leave your windows cracked during a storm without letting rain inside, providing vital ventilation. This accessory also helps reduce wind noise at highway speeds and minimizes interior heat when parked in the sun. It is a practical and stylish addition that improves airflow and comfort for every journey. Next must have taillight rear lamp protector guard for Jeep Renegade. Add a layer of rugged defense and style to your rear lighting. These taillight protector guards are engineered specifically for the Jeep Renegade to shield your factory lenses from trail debris and parking lot bumps. Made from high-strength materials with a textured black finish, they provide a bold off-road look without interfering with light performance. Installation is quick and secure with automotive-grade adhesive. Protect your investment and give your Jeep a more aggressive, custom profile with these durable guards. Coming up next, car interior accessories trim fit for Jeep Renegade. Personalize your cockpit with a splash of color and custom style. This interior accessories trim kit is precision molded for the Jeep Renegade to fit perfectly over your vents, speakers, and gear selector. Available in a variety of vibrant colors and finishes, these pieces install in minutes to instantly transform your cabin from factory standard to custom unique. The high-quality material is UV resistant and scratch-proof, ensuring your interior stays looking fresh. It is the easiest way to make your Jeep's interior reflect your personality. Next must have steering wheel trim for Jeep Renegade. Upgrade your driving experience with a premium look and feel. This steering wheel trim is designed to fit the spokes of your Jeep Renegade wheel with absolute precision. Whether you want to add a sporty carbon fiber texture or a sleek metallic accent, this trim provides an immediate aesthetic boost to your dashboard area. It is crafted to be durable and comfortable underhand, protecting your factory steering wheel from wear and oils. Give your cockpit a refined, custom touch that you will appreciate every time you take the wheel. Next item in our list, AC radio knob cover trim for Jeep Renegade. Add a touch of elegance to your center console with these precision fit accents. These AC and radio knob cover trims are designed to slide right over your factory dials for an instant upgrade. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, they provide a tactile, premium grip and a pop of custom color to your interior. They protect your high-touch knobs from scratches and wear while making your climate and audio controls stand out. Next, we have front grille inserts for Jeep Renegade. Personalize the face of your vehicle while adding an extra layer of protection. These front grille inserts are custom contoured for the iconic 7-slot grille of your Jeep Renegade. They help deflect road debris and bugs away from your radiator while giving your front end a more aggressive or sophisticated look. Available in various finishes like matte black, chrome, or vibrant colors, they install easily without any drilling. It is the perfect way to customize your Jeep's identity and stand out on the road or the trail. Coming up next, Angry Bird headlight bezels trim for Jeep Renegade. Give your Jeep a unique personality with an aggressive, custom stare. These Angry Bird headlight bezels are a popular modification designed specifically for the Jeep Renegade's round lights. They add a brow to your headlights for a fierce, off-road inspired look that demands attention. Made from durable ABS plastic, they are built to withstand the elements and protect your headlight housing from minor scratches. Installation is a breeze with pre-applied adhesive, making it one of the quickest ways to change your vehicle's attitude. Next must have door handle cover trim for Jeep Renegade. Protect your entry points and upgrade your exterior styling in one step. These door handle cover trims are custom sized for the Jeep Renegade to provide a seamless overlay on your factory handles. They shield your paint from fingernail scratches and jewelry scuffs while offering a choice of premium finishes like carbon fiber or high-gloss black. The durable construction is weather-resistant and holds up to car washes and UV rays. It is an effortless way to add a touch of custom luxury to your doors while keeping them in mint condition. Next item in our list, dashboard cover mat for Jeep Renegade. Shield your interior from the sun and eliminate distracting windshield glare. This custom-tailored dashboard cover mat is designed to match the specific vents and contours of your Jeep Renegade perfectly. It acts as a thermal barrier, keeping your cabin cooler and preventing your dash from cracking or fading due to high heat. The soft fabric adds a refined look to your cockpit while providing a non-slip surface for your dash accessories. Preserve your visibility and the long-term value of your interior with this essential protective mat. Next on the list, key fob cover for Jeep Renegade. Keep your remote in showroom condition with a stylish layer of defense. This key fob cover provides a snug, protective sleeve for your Jeep Renegade remote, shielding it from drops, scratches, and liquid spills. The precision molding ensures that all buttons remain easy to press and your signal stays strong. Available in various materials and colors, it is a simple way to identify your keys while preventing expensive replacement costs. Protect your most important tool from everyday accidents with this durable and stylish protective case. Next, we have leather seat covers for Jeep Renegade. Experience a premium cabin feel while providing the ultimate protection for your seats. These leather seat covers are custom engineered for a perfect fit on your Jeep Renegade's upholstery. They offer a waterproof, durable barrier against mud, spills, and pet hair, making them ideal for outdoor enthusiasts. The high-quality material is breathable and comfortable, ensuring a luxurious ride in any weather. Preserve your original seats and dramatically increase your vehicle's resale value with this high-end interior upgrade that is as functional as it is stylish. Next item, we have window shades for Jeep Renegade. Keep your cabin cool and your passengers comfortable during every sun-drenched journey. These window shades are precision cut to fit the unique glass profile of your Jeep Renegade perfectly. They block harmful UV rays and significantly reduce interior temperatures, protecting your upholstery from fading and cracking over time. The easy snap-in design allows for quick installation and removal whenever you need it. Maintain your privacy and enjoy a shaded, relaxing environment whether you are on a long road trip or parked at the trailhead. Coming up next, envelope cargo net for Jeep Renegade. Stop your gear from rolling around during those sharp turns and off-road excursions. This envelope-style cargo net is the perfect storage solution for the Jeep Renegade trunk area. It creates a secure pocket that holds groceries, sports equipment, and fragile items upright and in place. The high-quality elastic mesh stretches to accommodate various shapes and sizes while attaching easily to your factory mounting points. It is an essential accessory for anyone looking to maximize organization and keep their cargo area tidy and quiet. Next, must-have seat gap filler for Jeep Renegade. End the frustration of losing your phone and keys in the hard-to-reach spaces of your cockpit. This seat gap filler is designed to fit snugly between the center console and seats of your Jeep Renegade. It moves with your seat adjustments to ensure no opening is ever left exposed for your essentials to fall through. The sleek design blends seamlessly with your interior trim for a factory look, while providing a practical solution to everyday clutter. Keep your focus on the road and your valuables right by your side. Next item in our list, trunk organizer for Jeep Renegade. Master your storage space and keep your gear perfectly sorted for every adventure. This heavy-duty trunk organizer is built to handle the versatile lifestyle of a Jeep Renegade owner. It features multiple reinforced compartments to secure everything from emergency tools to your weekend camping supplies. The non-slip bottom ensures it stays in place during rugged drives, and the collapsible walls allow you to store it flat when you need the extra floor space. Say goodbye to trunk clutter and enjoy a functional, organized rear cabin. Next on the list, front and rear dash cam for Jeep Renegade. Drive with total peace of mind and record every detail of your journey. This front and rear dash cam system provides high-definition coverage for your Jeep Renegade, capturing the path ahead and the traffic behind. It offers vital evidence in case of an accident and features parking monitoring to watch over your vehicle while you are away. With loop recording and G-sensor technology, your footage is always secure and ready when you need it. It is a smart security upgrade that keeps a second set of eyes on your surroundings. Next, we have waterproof outdoor car cover for Jeep Renegade. Shield your vehicle from the elements with a heavy-duty barrier designed for the outdoors. This waterproof car cover is tailored to the exact dimensions of your Jeep Renegade for full body protection. The multi-layered fabric blocks rain, snow, and harmful UV rays, while remaining breathable to prevent moisture buildup underneath. It features a soft inner lining to protect your paint from scratches and reinforced straps to keep it secure during windy weather. Preserve your showroom finish and keep your Jeep clean regardless of where you park. Next on the list, steering wheel cover for Jeep Renegade. Enhance your grip and add a layer of rugged luxury to every turn. This steering wheel cover is designed to fit the Jeep Renegade wheel like a glove, providing a comfortable and secure feel in all driving conditions. It protects your factory leather from oils, sweat, and sun damage that can cause peeling or fading over time. The breathable material ensures a steady temperature in both summer heat and winter cold. Elevate your driving experience with a premium texture that makes every maneuver feel more controlled and refined. Last on the list, car trunk hanging organizer for Jeep Renegade. Reclaim your floor space and keep your essentials perfectly sorted behind the seats. This car trunk hanging organizer attaches to the rear headrests of your Jeep Renegade, utilizing the unused vertical space in your cargo area. It features deep pockets for cleaning supplies, emergency gear, and small tools, keeping them upright and easy to reach. This design leaves your main trunk floor completely open for larger items like luggage or strollers. It is the ultimate storage solution for drivers who need to keep their gear organized and accessible. Upgrade your Jeep Renegade with smart, adventure-ready accessories built for comfort, protection, and everyday convenience. From family road trips to weekend escapes, these carefully selected upgrades help keep your ride organized, durable, and ready for anything. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. For more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel.